Hey guys, congrats. You are in the second part of the semester, summer semester. We're in Module 5, you believe that? We made it past the first 4, which we're getting near to the end of it, so that's good, positive. So I wanted to do a little video and talk about what we're going to learn this week in Module 5. So this is actually chapters, I believe, 7 and 8. We're going to talk about introduction to router configuration and switch configuration. Those are going to be the keys for this week. Objectives, well, we're going to talk about IP address packets that get delivered to destination routers. We're going to talk about objectives, describe the purpose of router, a gateway, just kind of summarizing some of this. We're going to do a revisit of VLANs, their importance, talk about physical wiring and so forth, and why this all makes sense. So this should be, I won't say it will be an exciting week, but I hope it'll be exciting because you're going to be learning something new. And I tell people, if you're, a lot of people, the going thing right now is, hey, I want to do cybersecurity. I want to be able to learn how to ethical hack. I want to learn how to, define and protect systems. But it all starts from networking and kind of works its way down because that's what the hackers use to cripple their networks. But Module 5 assignment this week. Talk a little bit about it. It's going to be very similar to Module 4. You're going to learn how to configure basic settings of routers and switches, including setting up an IP address, configuring routing protocols, and managing switch ports. Instructions are to complete the following tasks using pretend Cisco Packet Tracer or similar network simulation tool. You can use normal stuff. Provide the necessary commands and configuration details of each week. So initial setup, router configuration, setting the host name to your router 1, enabling a secret, which is a secret password, interface configuration, routing, saving your configuration. So these are things that you're going to be working on the first phase of it. Part 2 is switch configuration, initial setup, set your host name, enable a password, your VLAN configuration, your port assignment, and your switch management. What that kind of looks like without kind of showing you, initial setup, what I'm looking for is when you're doing your router setup, you enable your router. So looking for command, router, enable, true or false, configure terminal, put the name of the host name, router 1 in this case, and then secret, enable secret, and then whatever your secret is. We'll say 60678. Same thing with the interface configuration. You're going to have whatever the IP address is, the subnet mask. You're going to have a shutdown and exit, so which would be like a value of a 0, and so forth. And you're going to do the same thing with switch management. So it's going to be very similar to the previous assignment that we had in Module 4. This will just kind of give you some examples of configuration. It'll give you some ideas of how this is done. And just, the basic. Unfortunately, we don't have like a software module that allows you to go out and use the software to do the whole thing. Working on that. Hopefully, in the near future, that'll be something we can offer. You guys won't have the opportunity, but unfortunately, others will work out. Anyways, that's Module 5 in a nutshell. You know how to reach me, and have a good week. Thanks for watching. Bye.